Hey everyone, so we do have a lot to talk about Shiba Inu today. Now the first thing, look at this. The first adoption is already happening. The first marketing is underway. Visiting New York City for a week, something familiar on the Brooklyn Bridge 100. So be sure to drop a like. We're going to be looking at a lot of things today. And the first thing I'm seeing here, Shiba token on the Brooklyn Bridge where a lot of people pass. Now obviously this is just a small form of marketing, and in the future we're going to be having much larger ones. But everyone is super excited, because promotion means price goes up. Even if the market is down, if a lot of new people come into crypto, of course, they will very simply put, pump up the price. And you never know when a millionaire buys a million or a billionaire buys 3 million of Shiba Inu in dollars because of this. So that's really exciting to see. But if you didn't know, now the team can finally focus on marketing soon. The fund will be put towards the financial relief that our dev team needs to make our ecosystem their full-time focus. We have talented individuals to continue building on the solid foundation that gifted us with their own time, money, and energy. The allocation will allow each of the volunteer developers to be compensated for their initial investment into SHIBA and also offer salaries so they can work exclusively in the ecosystem. The OG admins are veterans of SHIB Army, and the fund allows the devs team to have a trusted group of admins deployed across multiple channels to secure a safe space while SHIBA fans build a community without being bothered by FUD scams and other issues. And people are also recommending, marketing. So marketing could potentially happen. They should have more than enough money to start bribing celebrities to pump SHIB. Obviously, does not increase the price as much. Sometimes it even crashes the price. What would increase the price, however, is putting out more utilities, putting out more uses for Shiba Inu, and upgrading ShibaSwap, which is what they're doing right now. And 2021 has been a crazy year for SHIB, and it's still going. But imagine if we had a partnership like the leaked partnership with Uniswap. This is now a leaked report. It talks with PayPal and Robinhood. Like, this is crazy. Video footage shows the growth leader at Uniswap hinting at possible deals with major trading platforms such as PayPal, E-Trade, and Robinhood. And, Uniswap growth leader attended ETC conference. The YouTube deleted video shows the video's largest decentralized exchange might be thinking some big partnerships. And keeping relevant to the users is a huge reason why these giants are beginning to seriously consider something like Uniswap. We're trying to put Uniswap and the rest of DeFi in their applications that users are already using, so that we could bring a dream of open 100% uptime liquidity to the whole world. And that would be the next big thing, 100% uptime liquidity to the whole world would be huge, especially if you swap it for anything else. For example, if you can do that with stable coins. If Robinhood and PayPal collaborated with Uniswap, not only for crypto, but for example, for the US dollar, so for example, or for a digital dollar, imagine how awesome that would be. That would be next level. Swapping would never be easier. And Hayden Adams, founder of Uniswap, was quick to address media reports about the leaked video. So he said on Twitter, "We talk a lot of finance tech companies. Many companies interested in understanding DeFi reach out. We're not partnering with companies mentioned in Ethereum CC talk, but potentially they're going to be partnering up with PayPal and Robinhood." And if ShibaSwap had that, that would be a massive growth. And video deleted at our request because we thought we interpreted to suggest we have a relationship that we don't. But imagine if they got that. The team behind Ethereum's largest decentralized exchange is in talks with consumer finance giants, and is in talks, but they are not just yet. So that's something you should know. So this is pretty huge. Nobody's talking about this, but Uniswap says it's talking with PayPal, Robinhood, and more in the deleted video. And they deleted that for a simple reason. They're not partnering just yet, but PayPal wants to talk to us, E-Trade wants to talk to us, and Stripe wants to talk to us. So that's huge. And ShibaSwap, if it has such, if it goes with PayPal or Robinhood, imagine the growth of Shiba Inu coin. Obviously, Uniswap was first in the market, so it's going to have the massive growth. But this is something else to me. This is the next level we need to see the massive SPY growth so far. And Uniswap, from the rumors, has been growing very steadily, especially because Uniswap is one of the first out there. Hopefully, we can see that growth for Shiba Inu as well. But traders forecast 3K Ethereum price, but derivative data suggests otherwise. If we see Ethereum at 3K, that would be crazy insane. Ethereum might have rallied 35% off its 1,750 low, but derivatives show pro traders are not so bullish. So if Ethereum grows, so will Shiba Inu. Part of the recent recovery can be attributed to the London hard fork, which is expected to go live on August 4th. And we can see, growing slowly but steadily, either expected to become deflationary. It's slowly becoming, without an infinite supply. Usually Ethereum had infinite supply, and we need to support Ethereum right now, because if Ethereum grows, all ERC20 tokens such as Shiba Inu and others will grow as well. With that being said, bullish sentiment is missing even after future contract enter contango. And the thing here is, it might reach 3K, but pro traders are not bullish on this. Pro traders are saying, it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down by 5%, by 7% after that. Between negative 10% are usually deemed neutral. So it could be that Ethereum won't be growing, but I definitely do think in the long run we'll be seeing Ethereum at 10K or so. And when we see that, that will be like a big increase in the price. A big increase overall. So just imagine like Ethereum growing like that. That would be simply crazy to me. Ethereum at 10K, even at 100K, would be next level. But if we go on to more news, altcoins are actually getting a pump right now. So that's the next big thing we need to see for SHIB. While traders anticipate a lower support test level from Bitcoin, Rune, Quant, and Perp continue to gather strength, even as analysts expect a lower support test for the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now, the prices are pretty favorable. They're not something that we saw before. And I definitely think the prices in the future can be better. But right now, it's not looking even that bad for Bitcoin overall. I think it's looking pretty good. As Bitcoin accumulation and there's, more people coming into Bitcoin. And as Bitcoin grows, Shiba Inu will follow. Obviously, right now, we still have a sell-off to do. We have 10 trillion tokens to sell. But we're patient. We're patient. And I definitely do think in the future, in the near future, that is finally going to be sold off. And with Shiba Inu having so much updates, it will catch up. The big question is, how does that correlate to the price action in general? And we can see over here, this is something I showed before, but there's more whales or many groups actually buying into Bitcoin. So it's finally bouncing back from 30K level. And this basically means that we could be reaching 50,000 next. Like, this is a very bullish indicator so far, as big institutions are coming back in and seeing, Bitcoin is not going to be dropping to 24,000 or 20,000 anytime soon. So instead, we're going to be buying it. From here, I think crypto and Bitcoin will be considered an asset that, while highly volatile, can be hedged against inflation and should do well against this environment. So that's definitely something very positive. We could be seeing a 50,000 in August, and I would love that, mid-August, maybe late August. Bitcoin to continue its bull run towards 50,000, citing options activity that he said he remains heavily skewed to the upside at least until mid-August. So 50,000 for Bitcoin is likely. If we check over here, even PayPal is launching, which would further back my claims that Bitcoin could reach 50,000. And if Bitcoin reaches 50,000, then for sure, we're going to be seeing some big growth. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, we're going to be seeing a lot more adoption like this. Until next time, peace everyone.